father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi, for his role in Indian independence movement against the British rule, and an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him a hero in India. Father of Republic of India, B.R. Ambedkar, for his role in making Republic of India and fight against Indian caste system known as Baba Saheb or respected father. He is the architect of Constitution of India. The title of Founding Father of Modern India was conferred upon him by Columbia University for the part he played in authoring the Indian Constitution. Father of Modern India, Rajaram Mohan Roy. Rajaram Mohan Roy, the reason is Renaissance in Bengal Presidency is efforts to reform Hinduism and Indian rights. Rajaram Mohan Roy was the founder of Brahmo Samaj. Father of linguistic democracy. Father of linguistic democracy, Potti Sri Ramulu, ardent proponent of linguistic statehood as the progress of linguistic groups of diverse Indian populations, freedom fighter in Indian independence movement against British rule through ahimsa or non-violence, died fasting for creation of independent Andhra Pradesh, which in turn paved the way for creation of other linguistic states throughout India. Other title, Father of All India Movement for Linguistic States, Potti Sri Ramulu. Father of Hindutva. Father of Hindutva was Swatantriya Veer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. He defined the huge concept of Hindutva in his book Hindutva, Who is a Hindu? Father of modern economics, M.G. Ranade, Mahadev Govind Ranade. He was the father of modern economics. Father of nuclear atomic program, Homi Jahangir Baba. Father of space program, Vikram Sarabhai. Father of missile, APJ Abdul Kalam. Father of comic books, Anant Pal. Father of geography, James Rennell, 1740 to 1830. Father of cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke. Father of peasant movement, N.G. Ranga, Gogineni Ranganayakulu. Father of hybrid sorghum, Neelam Raju Ganga Prasad Rao. Father of paleobotany, Birbal Sahani. Father of Blue Revolution, Dr. Arun Krishnan and Hiralal Chaudhary. Blue Revolution started in India in 1970 through the Fish Farmers Development Agency. Remarkable emergence of aquaculture as an important, highly productive agricultural activity. Dr. Hiralal Chaudhary and Dr. Arun Krishnan, known as Father of Blue Revolution. Father of Green Revolution, M.S. Swaminathan. Political father of Green Revolution, Chidambaram Subramaniam. Father of Wheat Revolution, Dilbag Singh Athwal. Father of White Revolution, Kurian Varghese. Father of Veterinary Science, Shalihotra. Father of Civil Aviation, J.R.D. Tata, Jahangir Ratanjit Dadabhai Tata. Father of Air Force, Subrata Mukherjee. Father of Indian Navy, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Father of Civil Engineering, Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. His birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day. He authored the book Planned Economy for India. He was the Dewan of Mysore Kingdom. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Other titles for Sir M. Visvesvaraya are Engineer Statesman, Father of Planning, Chief Architect of Modern Karnataka. Father of Surgery, Sushruta. Mother of Silver Revolution, Indira Gandhi. Measures taken to improve egg production in India. Father of Yellow Revolution. Father of Yellow Revolution, Sam Pitroda. Improvement of growth of oil seeds, Sam Pitroda.